I'm Mike Buchanan, the co-founder of Clubcard Printing in San Francisco. When we opened our shop doors in 2005, we started with the idea that getting high-quality printing at a fair price should be easy for everyone. We began with the hopes and dreams of making great products for happy customers, creating good jobs, and building a profitable company. When the economy took a bad turn, quitting just wasn't an option. We did a lot of soul searching as we fought to keep the lights on and everyone employed. Customers from across America still had their hopes and dreams too, and we soon found out they weren't quitters either. Over the last 8 years, we've learned there are plenty of people willing to defy the odds, ignore conventional wisdom, and strike out on their own. We help people share their hopes and dreams. In a world that barely blinks as it jumps from one screen to the next, we've embraced a centuries-old tradition of printing ink on paper, and when we see the big smiles on people's faces as they see their names in print, we don't question that choice. We all have hopes and dreams. We strive to improve, to be better than yesterday, and to move forward with optimism. And when we close our door each night, we do so with a trust and confidence that when we open tomorrow, there will be even more dreamers out there waiting.